Right now we're assembling meals for our linemen. They've been working roughly from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. each evening. So we try to get them a couple meals a day. So basically we're feeding about roughly 100 people 2 times a day. Pork producers here have been great. Pork board in Jones County come in and just grilled here this evening. And we've been working with actually a couple vendors. Really been just getting wherever we could there for a while. So whether that was Hy-Vee, whether that was Fairway, some from Sam's Clubs. Linn County REC employees, the ones who aren't out in the field, they're assembling a variety of, whether it's fruit, chips, sandwich, and drinks, lots of drinks. The Gatorade's been a favorite, water, and actually Mountain Dew. Trying to just keep them hydrated, get some fuel in them. Caffeine, electrolytes, and carbohydrates. So staff's really going and getting the food and supplies, so it's worked out really well. We're a little over a week right now, and hopefully in a couple more days we'll be wrapped up. So that's our goal, and keeping some linemen yet from the outside territories. We've got some from Minnesota, in from Missouri, as well as Iowa helping us out. So at one time we had about 95 linemen working on it, which is about triple of what our normal capacity is. So again, getting the wires up and power back to the people.